Well, it's that bummer time of day. Time to start tearing down. Man, I'm really happy with these stingers. They're really nice. And they're great for hanging a tarp. Easy to put up, easy to take down, lightweight, and yet has a 1,400 pound test limit. I mean, dang. And they hardly take up any room in your pack either. It's all, yep. It's all big there. Just trying to undo the underquilt first so I can get the bug net off. There we go. Dang. Yeah, I can just pull There we go. Man. I'm just wondering if it's going to go back in stuff sack. Let's see. That's the side. So much for trying to keep it off the ground. Oh, it actually had a bag for like headlamps and stuff, and I didn't see that. Huh. I was actually just using the pouch that the hammock folds into. Ah, the joys of tearing down. I was wondering this when I was putting away my mosquito netting, or bug net, is why they have to give you the most minimal bag in existence to put your items back into. You know, I'll gladly spend a couple extra bucks for a little bit bigger stuff sack, and then maybe make the stuff sack so it's, you know, make it compressible so it doesn't take up space. I mean, wouldn't you spend a few extra bucks, not have to fight the bag back in? I think that's too much to ask. Give me more bag. Alright, there we go. Wasn't so hard getting the hammock back in there. So tree straps are pretty easy. Just if I had an extra stuff sack, I'd just make room for them, but I don't have one. So I'll just coil them up, and then when I put them in the bag, they'll just immediately uncoil, because that's what happens. I think it's like a rule. I must uncoil. Okay, so the this black and white cordage that the bug net came with only has one place on my pack. Just throw it away. It's not even worth the headache of bringing it. But several shelters that I've gotten has had that has had that cordage, so I don't know why it keeps getting pushed on us. But just do yourself the favor, just pitch it all in the garbage. So I guess I'll pack up. I might run this high speed, but I will show you a quick tip though. A little bit big, but get yourself a garbage bag. Okay? And then any cook set that you use that has fire smut all over it, put it in the bag, and that'll keep it from getting your inside of your backpack all scummy. Well, I didn't actually use it. I had brought this one too, but it's got some scum on it, some pot soot, fire soot. So the tongs can go in here, even though this pan got a little dirty. And then when I get home, I'll just wash it. This one I never used, so. Alright. That's kind of interesting. I commented yesterday about putting this 3mm trash bag liner down. And I don't know if you can, that shows up. Look how much moisture is on there. And all it did was sit on the ground. That would have soaked right into my wood. Interesting. That's why I like putting a moisture barrier down for firewood, so it just doesn't soak up moisture, which would have made my wood all wet just from the ground. Alright, just did a quick camp check, make sure I didn't leave anything behind. Left nothing. Not a can, not a piece of paper. Even the trauma pack that I had chewed up by birds was all picked up and cleaned. I even picked up all the little pieces. I'll have to fix that, replace some of the components. I might do a video on that just because, but I'm gonna run that up to the other, probably run that to the car. One bag is camera equipment, the other bag is trash. Yeah, I left nothing else behind. The way it should be, by the way. So, I mean, it's a public campground, but no one wants to show up here and have to pick up my garbage. Bear cans all emptied out. All right, all cleaned up. It's been a fun trip. I don't know if I'll need a waist belt, but alright, well anyway, I appreciate you all watching. Thank you very much. Questions, comments, put them down below. Look forward to reading them. And I'll see you in the next outing. Have a great day, enjoy your weekend, whatever, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.